Hello everyone and subscribers. Thank you for joining me today. It is April 29th, 2019, Monday morning. Did you watch Game of Thrones last night? It was great. I would not have thought how it would end with the Night King and who they used. I always thought it was going to be Samuel Tarly to figure it out, but this is HBO's Night King. This is not George R.R. Martin's Night's King. It's two different characters altogether. Thus, it still made for great watching. I even sat forward in my chair last night because I was on the edge of my seat. I do not want to give any spoiler alerts in case you are watching this and you have not seen Game of Thrones. But I enjoyed the series last night, and we have 3 more to go for the HBO saga. Anyhow, today you are going to see a video on how I am taking the Dollar Tree solar lights for $1 and then finding ways to make solar lights for outside. I found this candlestick at the thrift store for 50 cents, painted it silver and copper, and then I added 2 solar lights to it. Isn't that cute? It works. I brought them inside to show you in this video. I just finished up this cute little bird feeder, hummingbird feeder from the Dollar Tree with the solar light from the Dollar Tree, and of course gravel from the Dollar Tree. And I added some gemstones and some mushrooms to the side of the little flowers where the hummingbirds would suck the nectar. And thus this is a very cute solar light, and it highlights the gnome inside of it. It is on video, so please find that video. This one's not on video, but it's just common sense to, you know, how I did it. Now, I found this in the junk. This is what you call a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It was a 10 candle votive wall sconce or table sconce, and this one's missing. What I've done so far is I've clipped every little peg that was right here and washed everything down. What I want to do is add solar lights like this. However, it will be rocky. This is going to be outside and I want to windproof it. Thus, I decided to buy these cute little 8-piece storage containers from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use that as the base. I will take this, glue it to the clean base. Has to be flat too, flat surface. Then I'll go out and spray paint, and then once it's all dried and set, I will add glue into these containers and then add the solar light. Make sure it's working first. What type of glue am I going to use? Of course, in my prior videos I've told you that I've used fabric tack for patches, making pillows without sewing them, and I have placed it in the washing machine and they never came apart. This glue really holds up to water, so I'm going to use this glue to insert on the mount in here to place that in as the base. So as you go along with the slideshow, you'll understand what I'm doing. But I'm working on my outdoor decor, and I come up with this from the trash. So let's make it into a really pretty outdoor solar light display. Somewheres I have a, oh yeah, right here, have this cute peacock thing, chimey thing from Dollar Tree. I'm going to somehow use it for this. Also, while I have your attention, Dollar Tree now has out the Never Wet Rust-Oleum Multi-Surface Liquid Wood Repelling Treatment. Please pick up a container of this and waterproof your outdoor decor. This will do satellite dishes, your concretes, and look at your decks. Also, on the back, for people who work, it's excellent water repellent for work boots. So if you're married and your husband needs to waterproof his work boots, here you go. You can't go wrong for $1. You do have to read the steps, so follow it to make sure that it works, because if you skip a step, the product's not going to work for you. But for $1, no holler, pick yourself up this right now at the Dollar Tree. Alright, without further ado, let's get going. Let's make sure everything's cleaned up before I apply the little containers. And then I'll go out and spray paint this. Thanks for stopping in, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And look at my prior videos. I have over 400 of them. Well, I sprayed twice my Rust-Oleum paint and primer in silver metallic. And now look, the caps look like they belong to this little candle sconce. But it provides the base for the solar light. See? All I have to do is add the glue to it and allow it to dry. Now it's raining, thus I do not know if I will be able to get a picture of all the lights this evening, but we'll see how the weather holds. But this is what I have so far. Continue with the slideshow. Okay, now here's a little tip about your adhesive. Now, I told you I'm using fabric tack. You may use the marine silicone glue, clear, because it does provide a thickness. However, when it does set, it sets and it hardens. Now, fabric tack, when it sets sticky. It's sticky. So, when you place it in that little cap and you want to glue this solar light to it, dunk it a couple times so that there is glue around that base of the solar light. And then set it in and allow it to set. This will set up till tonight. But let me turn off the lights right now and see what I have. See? I still have to place 2 more. And then I'm going to use that peacock to decorate the part that's gapped. But this is going to look very, very pretty outside. But anyhow, that was my tip for the gluing. Whatever you use, because I do suggest a marine silicone if you have it. If you watch my prior videos, you will see me using it. And dip your solar light a little bit in the glue first, and then let it sit on the base. All right, let's continue with the slideshow. Thank you. One idea is if this battery ever dies out on a solar light, and Dollar Tree sells these every year, all you have to do is remove the top and add it to this one that's already glued, right? So all you have to do is replace this part. And make sure you save your stakes, because if you look in my past videos, I did make a lot of these solar lights with the stake as well. This one lays flat on the base because I'm going to use this for a planter later on in the future, so catch that video. However, save the stakes if you are doing a solar light like this. Don't throw them away because they come in handy, especially this bottom part. You can use these for multiple purpose things other than a solar light as well, so save them. Well, I thank you for watching, because I am going to sign off. This will have to set all day, the rest of the day, and I will try to get a picture of it when it is finished, and then I will upload the video. Isn't that cute? Let me place this down for a second. Yep, this solar light does work. Let me place this on the top of it. Make sure it's tight. Dip it in the little container of glue, and then let it set on the base. And there we go. Subscribe, and I send my blessings to you and your family from me and my family. Take care and have a great week. Art is freedom.